Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to control sensitive content on X, formerly Twitter. So to do this you can't do it from the app because the option like responsible for this is no more available in X app. So if you want to check for the inside your app, maybe you will find it. So first of all, and I will show you the solution after that. Click on your picture. After that, go to settings and privacy. Go to privacy and safety. And after that, go to content you see. And as you can see, the option is missing here. So the solution is easy. Just go and open your x.com profile or on any web browser. And after that, do the same steps. Click on your picture. After that, scroll down, go to settings and privacy. And after that, go to privacy and safety. After that, go to content you see. And as you can see, the option is available here. So the option is display media that may contain sensitive content. So if you want to show that media, you have just to check this option. And if you don't want to see it, you have just to uncheck it. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video, and see you in the next one.